This video explains everything you need to know about Bookkeeper bank connections. In Bookkeeper, you track finances through double entry transactions. The better you can track all your transactions, the more accurate balance values are on your chart of accounts, and the higher the quality of your financial information. Since many transactions are created at banks, we have created Bookkeeper bank connections to help you capture these transactions and consistently post them in your books, making accurate financial data consistently available in your Google environment. Bookkeeper bank connections consist of three parts. User connections correspond to the part from the bank to Bookkeeper. Book integrations correspond to what you do with the data once it gets to Bookkeeper. And the third part is to actually post transactions from the bank in your book. The first part, user connections. Open the Automations portal, select Banks, select your country from the map, press Continue, search for your bank or other institution, start the authentication process, notice that two-factor authentication works as normal. Choose which profile you want to use. Give access. Continue. You can see there are two accounts on this user connection. The second part, the book integration. In this book, there is only a CSV app integration. Go to the user connection for this bank. Link account. Notice that you started the book integration. I can choose an existing account and rename it later, but for now I will create a suggested account in this book. You can choose transactions up to 2 years back, but for this example I will choose 5 days. Save the integration. Close. On the user connection, you can now see that one of the accounts is configured. And you can always get back to the book integration to modify the destination account or the period to fetch transactions. The third part, post transactions. There are already a few transactions from this bank account. Let's complete this transaction. Google Cloud is a payable account. Post the transaction. This is a fixed expense. This transaction was cancelled, so you can delete it. Now there are 3 transactions with the same description. Let's see what happens when you complete this one. Post it. Notice how the Bookkeeper BookBot completes the other transactions with the same description? Let's repeat that with these 2 transactions. This is also a supplier. Post it. and post the other one as well. This is how you complete and post transactions that come from your bank. Only the first time when a transaction comes from this bank, you have to help the Bookkeeper Bookbot complete the transactions. After that, no more editing and just posting. Remember that I created a new account? It's not in the group hierarchy. Let's fix that. Grab the account at the front and drop it into the correct group. The cash group updates immediately. That's it. You have properly set up your first Bookkeeper bank connection. Go ahead, connect with your other banks or credit cards for easy reconciliation and effortless consolidation. Like this video if it is helpful to you, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe to receive more videos from our channel.